Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing the top 3 video conferencing platforms: Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Which one is the best for you? Let's break it down in 5 key categories: ease of use, features, performance, pricing, and best use case. Let's get started. 1. Ease of use. Zoom. Super simple and user-friendly. Just click a link and you're in a meeting. Google Meet. Integrated with Google Workspace. If you use Gmail, it's seamless. Microsoft Teams. More complex since it's built for businesses, but great for organizations. Winner. Zoom. Best for beginners and quick meetings. 2. Features. Zoom. Breakout rooms, virtual backgrounds, live captions, reactions, and whiteboard tools. Google Meet. Simple but has live captions, recording, and noise cancellation. Microsoft Teams. Advanced features like deep office integration, file sharing, and collaboration tools. Winner. Microsoft Teams. Best for business and collaboration. 3. Performance and quality. Zoom. Offers HD video and audio, even on slow networks. Google Meet. Uses Google's cloud, so it's fast and stable. Microsoft Teams can be resource-heavy, but best for large organizations. Winner. Google Meet. Best balance of speed and stability. 4. Pricing. Zoom. Free plan, 40-minute limit. Paid plans start at $14.99 month. Google Meet. Free for 1-hour calls. Premium plans start at 6 month. Microsoft Teams, included with Office 365, starts at 4 month. Winner. Google Meet. Best value for individuals. 5. Best use case. Zoom. Best for schools, freelancers, and small businesses. Google Meet. Best for casual users and Google Workspace users. Microsoft Teams. Best for enterprises and corporate teams. Winner. Depends on your needs. Zoom. Best for simplicity and online classes. Google Meet. Best for Google users and stability. Microsoft Teams. Best for business and collaboration. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more tech comparisons. Share this with friends who need to pick the best video meeting app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.